Hello, this is W3OY Ray, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing two things. First thing is I have been running through, I bought Moki picks, Jimmy Long's, Bare Bones, Covert Instruments, some of the main pick manufacturers, and I've been using them, and I have a video that will be upcoming comparing, contrasting what I like, what I don't like, my opinions, how they're working, and I've just been using them for my videos during them and taking notes as I'm going along, and then I'll put out a video, comparing them, what I like, what I don't. Anyway, I've been watching Stu, Charles Watt's channel, and I've been seeing him playing with the uh, Southern Specialties uh, jackknife tool, and I just had to get one. So I did send them an email maybe 2 weeks ago or so, and said, hey, if you ever want me to review anything, just give me a holler. And I just so happened to go to their website to buy this and a couple other things. I ordered some tips and some blanks for tips and picks. So I ordered a couple things, and it just so happens that same day, Aaron from Southern Specialties reached out to me and said that he would like to send me some stuff to review. So I ordered the jackknife in 25 thousandths that has the 2500 profiles. He actually whipped me together a 20 thousandths with a bunch of different profiles in it too. Look at that postal hook. That is so deep. You can pick frickin' anything with that thing. Wow. As long as you can get it in there. But anyway, they sent me this and actually a tons of other stuff. So I will be using that as well. And they are going to be in the comparison because they make good products. So anyway, with that out of the way, they also sent me some stickers. So anyway, awesome. I'll be using some of their stuff in this video. I kind of found a really cool profile that they sent me in 20 thousandths. It's almost like a lifter pick, almost gem-like, almost offset hybrid-like, but has a notch there in the end. Very cool profile. Like it a lot, so we're going to use that. I just so happened to go to Walmart, and yay, they finally started getting in the brass or the aluminum body padlocks, and I figured I'd get some brass boys too because I gave away all of my rakeable padlocks to my son when I was trying to get him interested in picking. So anything pretty much uh, orange belt and below he has. So I figured I'd grab some of these too. So anyway, we're gonna go for an OPOL in honor of Parky. Just an open package, open lock video. We'll get this guy open. Okay. All right. See the key bitting on there. Not terrible. Looks like a dead core, dead shackle. Cool. Anyway, let's pick this guy open. I don't usually pick padlocks in a vise, but it makes it easier for recording, so we're going to give it a go. Get a turner out of here. Anyway, thank you very much to Aaron at Southern Specialties for sending this stuff to me. And we're going to use it and see what we think. So far, I'm liking it a lot. You know what I mean? It's definitely not a pick from Moki, but it's not meant to be. They cost a fraction of the price. They're well made. They're good steel, 301, 301 full hard. Not quite as strong as the high yield, but cost a fraction of the price. And they're here in the U.S., so you can literally. I ordered this stuff, and not the next day, the day after, it was at my house. So, uh, it's definitely far easier to get than a Jimmy Long's or a Moki. So, anyway, let's get this thing picked. I always usually start in the back. Click on 5. Click on 4. Click on 2. Nothing on 3. Nothing. 5. 4. Nothing. 3. Nothing. 2. I think we're held up on 1. Okay, I don't know what we're held up on here. Let's try a different pick. Let's try a deep boy. I think we're missing number 1. Try 1. Feel counter rotation on. Oh, you dirtbag. Alright, let's try that again, which we lost it. Okay, doesn't seem like anything fell. Let's go for 1 again. I definitely feel counter rotation. There we go. And we're open. It was 1 and it was super high lift, which actually makes sense based on that key. Anyway, we are open on the Brinks. Open package, open lock, OPOL. There we go, Parky, my very first OPOL video. So, anyway, with that, I want to give another thanks, shout out here to Aaron at Southern Specialties. Thank you so much. I will be running through using your products to open locks. We'll start with the yellow belt locks and go through green, blue, all the way up. We'll try some black belt lock. I have a black belt lock that I can open so far, and we'll be making an attempt with it with the Sun Specialties picks. So anyway, thank you very much, Aaron, and we'll be going through that. Thanks to Parky for getting me interested in doing an OPOL. So thank you very much, Parky, and this one is for you, buddy. Anyway, thank you very much. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, share with your enemies. Doesn't matter to me. Just get people interested in lock sport. So thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.